Welcome to the PharmaSource podcast. In this episode, I speak to Kalpesh Modi, Vice President of Dr. Reddy's API business in Europe. Kalpesh explains Dr. Reddy's API capabilities, including the API Plus partnerships they're building in emerging markets, and the importance of sustainability, including the fact that for the first time, they're now a water-positive company, beating their sustainability target by 2 years. I hope you enjoy the episode. Kalpesh, thank you very much for joining us. Could you introduce yourself, please?
Thank you, Luke. It's a pleasure to be here. Just for a small introduction from my side, I joined Dr. Reddy's in 2017 as a part of Europe API business. Today, I am leading Dr. Reddy's Europe, UK and CIS API business. By education background, I'm a chemical engineer with the Masters of Business Administration.
Dr. Reddy's, obviously, very well known, very large company. How important is the API side of the business to Dr. Reddy's and the area that you're responsible for in Europe?
So I think, if you look at the Dr. Reddy's journey, API business is the pioneer for the Dr. Reddy's journey. We started our business with the API and then we expanded into the multiple business areas. So the core highlight for the Dr. Reddy's, and actually this, it's unique for our partners as well, that we are dedicated to improving lives through accelerating access to affordable and innovative medicines. As a company, we are committed to excellence and patient well-being. And we are committed to provide safe and affordable medicines to meet unmet need of patient. Talking about specifically on the API business, we are going to celebrate 40th anniversary next February. So it's one of the important milestone as a company for us, since the company actually started the business by investing into the API.
Yeah.
Today we are having 8 API state-of-the-art, and all these sites are accredited and regularly inspected by all major health authorities and our partners. Our main objection is to work with partners to help them succeed. We are enabling and helping our partners so that medicines are available where needed. We are specialized in complex APIs, including peptides, oncology, cardiovascular, and all other therapeutic categories. We are today manufacturing more than 200 APIs, including commercial and under development. For our products, we have a robust supply chain and strategic partnership for a continuity during today's volatile world. There are so many geopolitical tensions are going on, and in that, the robust supply chain is the ask for today's world. One of the key parameters, which is a strong differentiator, is our commitment to sustainability. Our journey, which we started in 2004, but is now also an increasingly important factor for our global partners. We are continuously improving the API manufacturing processes. I'm delighted to say that last year, our R&D team worked on 16 products by incorporating green chemistry principles that helps to make our API process more sustainable. The process mass intensity helps us to understand a synthetic routes impact on chemical resource, cost, and sustainability. All synthetic routes are evaluated for process mass intensity and minimizing PMI, which is one of our key priority. Along with the green chemistry, we adopted life cycle thinking to assess our environmental impact in a more comprehensive manner. Our life cycle assessment program helps us to capture and analyze the environmental impact of our product and identify hotspots and improvement opportunities. At our zero discharge facilities, all the effluents generated are treated within premises, and treated water is recycled and reused. Just to tell you, that we have become a water positive company in 2023 this year against the target of the 2025. So we are 2 years ahead. Today we are, supplying our APIs to all global partners, including the big pharma companies. And we are trying to help our partner to supply the medicines to meet the unmet needs of the patients.
Who would you say the ideal customer is for Dr. Reddy's APIs?
We are offering multiple services. We are in the business of APIs. We are in the business of the Origin Pharmaceutical Services, which is a group company of Dr. Reddy's and helps our partners under the CDMO and early development and clinical trial opportunities. We are in the biologics and we are in the generic medicines as well. So we are trying to give one-stop solution to our partner. So anything and everywhere globally, wherever there are the partners who actually share, who actually wants to, share their access of medicines to the needy patients, they are actually our partners for our APIs or let's say all the business what we are today.
Okay, so CPHI Barcelona's coming up soon. Could you let me know any products or services that you'll be exhibiting that you're particularly excited about talking to customers about?
Yes, we offer one-stop solution to our partners by not limiting with our API services, but our robust supply goes beyond the API by supporting our partners with an integrated solution. We have complete eco-governance where all vertical works together and complement each other for delivering best and innovative solution. As a part of our API business, we are offering services called API Plus, which helps our partners to formulate the product for local market with the support of our experts, which enables them speedy and cost-effective development. We have a strong R&D team with a solid track record in developing complex APIs and formulation. So if you look at in today's world, Dr. Reddy's is one of the companies who is vertically integrated pharma companies. Hence, our customer benefits from our formulation experience, ensuring that our API works in the formulation process by customized particle size or any other tailor-made solution, which can improve their development process and timeline and yields with the successful results. Our business is backed with the global regulatory and IP team members. Our regulatory team closely works with internal and external stakeholders and health authorities to comply the latest regulatory and quality need of the product. So we are excited to offer all kind of services. It's API, formulation, biologics, out licensing, merger and acquisition. So if any partner comes to us, I'm sure they will get all the solutions of their business, whether it's API, formulation, any other technology transfer, anything. So we are excited to offering all the solutions to our partner. That's the one of the core offering from the Dr. Reddy's, which differentiate us from any pure API player.
So you mentioned API Plus there. Is that a new service or something that you've been doing for a while?
API Plus service, I think it's one of the interesting history we have. There are the certain markets, I mean, specifically the emerging markets where Dr. Reddy's doesn't have the local presence. What we decided that why should not the patients of those countries should have the access to the quality medicines, affordable and quality medicines. So as a part of that journey, Dr. Reddy's started to collaborate the local partners and supplying the formulation to them, or else we are giving our technology transfer to them so that they can manufacture locally by supplying our API and technology to them. So at the end of the day, the patients have an access to the affordable and quality wise medicines. That's the core objective. And that's why we have started this API Plus services as well.
Interesting. Finally, is there one industry trend that you think is going to be really important in 2024, please?
I mean, frankly, it's not one, but there are the multiple trends or ask which are quite important in today's world. These are ESG, sustainability, supply chain evolution during today's geopolitical tension, increased regulatory scrutiny regarding the presence of nitrosamine, and the last but not least is the digitization, considering how much your data accuracy is there. We were one of the first companies who conducted risk assessment to identify and avoid potential source of nitrosamine by design. Our journey had covered risk assessment, method development, and validation of the process optimization to comply in stringent regulation to avoid any product recalls. On a digital journey, we are focusing on digitization and leveraging Industry 4.0 technologies. Digital transformation is allowing our business to streamline operations and enhance data accuracy and predictive quality. This includes automation and improved customer experience. We have created a platform called Exceed, which enables our partners to track real-time experience and status of their queries and orders. As a part of our sustainability process, we are selecting suppliers contributing to sustainable supply chain performance. At Dr. Reddy's, we are committed to engaging suppliers that make sustainability part of their business model, apply high SHE standards, and share the same vision with us to ensure access to affordable and high-quality medicines worldwide. We were among the first Indian companies to build zero liquid discharge infrastructure in all our facilities. We are delighted to see that we are not sending any single kilogram of waste of our plant to any landfill. And I personally think this shows that ESG and purpose have been at the heart of the Dr. Reddy's.
Thank you. Are you looking forward to Barcelona?
I'm looking forward to a Barcelona. I'm looking forward to meet the partners, the known and unknown partners both. And I'm looking forward to discuss them, that how we can continue engage with each other, which can improve the life of the patients.
Kalpesh, thank you so much. Really nice speaking to you.
Thank you so much, Luke. Thank you so much. It's nice speaking to you. Thank you so much.
If you'd like to meet the Dr. Reddy's team at CPHI, they're on stand 4C30. And check out their website, drreddys.com. Finally, we're excited to tell you about Partner Match, which is a brand new service from us at PharmaSource. Partner Match is a new online meeting platform designed to be the most targeted, efficient, and sustainable way to connect with pre-approved partners in key areas such as APIs, packaging, supply chain, contract manufacturing, and CROs. We believe that by creating better, faster matches, Partner Match can directly contribute to accelerating the rollout of groundbreaking therapies. Get involved by heading to pharmasource.global/partnermatch. Thank you for listening.